Have you ever heard that you must gulp down 8 glasses of water every day to stay hydrated? Well, it's time to debunk this myth. The notion that we need to down this much water daily traces back to a 1945 recommendation by the Food and Nutrition Board. But here's the catch: the fine print on this recommendation indicates that most of our water intake actually comes from food and other beverages. Consider this: fruits like watermelon and oranges, vegetables like cucumbers, they're all brimming with water. Your morning cup of coffee, that glass of milk, they all add up to your daily hydration. And let's not forget, our bodies are incredibly efficient at keeping us in check. When you need water, your body sounds the alarm bell. We call it thirst. Now, it's important to underline, hydration is crucial, but guzzling gallons of water when you don't need it can put unnecessary strain on your kidneys. It's like trying to fill a cup that's already full. It's not just unnecessary, it's counterproductive. So what's the golden rule? Listen to your body. Drink when you're thirsty, and remember, you're not a cactus surviving in a desert, nor are you a fish living in the sea. Your water needs depend on a variety of factors. Are you running a marathon or sitting at your desk? Is it a hot summer day or a chilly winter evening? Do you live in a humid coastal city or a dry mountainous region? Your personal needs, activity level, the weather, they all play a part in determining how much water you need. In a nutshell, instead of fixating on a magic number, focus on being attuned to your body's needs. So the next time you hear someone insist on the 8 glasses a day rule, you can confidently tell them it's a myth. Remember, when it comes to hydration, the one-size-fits-all approach just doesn't hold water. So the golden rule? Drink when you're thirsty and adjust based on your activity level, weather, and personal needs. Carbs have been branded as the dietary villain of our time. Let's examine this belief. Carbohydrates, often simply referred to as carbs, play a crucial role in our bodies. They serve as our primary source of energy. The brain, muscles, and vital organs all rely heavily on glucose, a type of sugar that carbs are broken down into. So, the idea that we should eliminate carbs entirely is fundamentally flawed. But here's where it gets a bit tricky. Not all carbs are created equal. There are simple carbs and there are complex carbs. Simple carbs, found in foods like sugary snacks, sodas, and white bread, provide a rapid energy boost, causing a quick spike in blood sugar. But this energy is fleeting, and the subsequent crash can leave you reaching for more snacks, leading to overconsumption and potential weight gain. On the other hand, we have complex carbs. These are found in whole grains, vegetables, and legumes. They are loaded with fiber, which slows digestion, stabilizes blood sugar levels, and keeps you feeling full and satisfied for longer. This means you're less likely to overeat and more likely to have sustained energy throughout your day. Now let's talk about the consequences of excessive consumption of simple carbs. Besides weight gain, a diet high in these quick-burn carbs can also lead to other health problems, such as heart disease and type 2 diabetes. It's a slippery slope that begins with a seemingly harmless sweet tooth, but it's not all doom and gloom. Complex carbs come with a multitude of benefits. Studies have consistently shown that diets rich in whole grains and fiber are linked to a lower risk of obesity, heart disease, and diabetes. That's right, the right kind of carbs can actually help keep your weight in check and your heart healthy. The important takeaway here is that carbs are not the enemy. It's the type of carbs and the quantity consumed that matters. So, don't banish carbs. Instead, focus on whole, unprocessed carbohydrates like oats, quinoa, and sweet potatoes. Your body will thank you for it. And remember, moderation is key. Balance, after all, is the cornerstone of a healthy diet. Many fear that eating fats will make them fat. Let's dispel this misconception. It's time to shed light on the misunderstood macronutrient, fat. You've probably heard the saying, eating fat makes you fat. But is it really that simple? Not quite. Dietary fat is a critical part of our diet. It plays a pivotal role in a multitude of bodily functions. It assists in absorbing essential vitamins, producing hormones, and providing a sustained source of energy. Without it, our body would be like a car without fuel. But here's the catch. Not all fats are created equal. There's a stark difference between unhealthy and healthy fats. On one hand, we have the villains of the fat world, trans fats and excessive saturated fats. These are often found in processed foods, fast food, and some dairy products. Consuming these in excess can lead to health issues like heart disease and elevated cholesterol levels. On the other hand, we have the superheroes, monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats. Monounsaturated fats are found in foods like avocados and olive oil. Polyunsaturated fats include omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids, found in foods like fish, walnuts, and flax seeds. These fats are champions for your heart, promoting healthier cholesterol levels and supporting brain function. So, does eating fat make you fat? The answer is, it depends. If your diet is high in trans fats and saturated fats, and you're consuming more calories than your body needs, then yes, you may gain weight. But if you're eating a balanced diet with plenty of monounsaturated and polyunsaturated fats, then no, eating fat won't necessarily make you fat. The key here is balance and moderation. Consuming healthy fats in moderation can actually help you maintain a healthy weight and support overall health. So, let's put this myth to bed. It's not about fearing fats, it's about understanding the difference between healthy and unhealthy fats and making informed choices. Overeating any food can lead to weight gain. Instead of fearing fats, choose healthy ones and watch your portion sizes. Skipping meals to lose weight is a common belief. Let's explore the truth behind this. Many believe that by cutting out a meal, they're cutting calories and thus will shed pounds. But is it really that simple? When we skip meals, the body goes into a state of starvation. This is the body's survival mechanism kicking in to conserve energy. You might imagine it as your body holding onto its fat reserves with a vice-like grip, preparing for a time of scarcity. But here's the catch. When you do eventually eat, your body, still in survival mode, will store more of your intake as fat, rather than using it as energy. It's like a squirrel hoarding nuts for winter. So ironically, skipping meals can potentially lead to weight gain, not weight loss. Additionally, skipping meals can cause blood sugar levels to plummet, leaving you feeling fatigued, irritable, and craving quick energy fixes like sugary snacks. These cravings can easily lead to overeating, and the cycle continues. But what about metabolism? Well, regular meals keep our metabolism active, helping to burn calories throughout the day. When we skip meals, our metabolism slows down to conserve energy, burning fewer calories in the process. Over time, this can decrease our metabolic rate, making it harder to lose weight in the long run. Now let's not forget the importance of balanced meals. Each meal is an opportunity to nourish our bodies with vital nutrients from a variety of food groups. Skipping meals means missing out on these essential nutrients, which can lead to deficiencies, impacting our overall health and well-being. So, what's the bottom line? Instead of skipping meals, aim for balanced, regular meals to keep your metabolism humming and avoid overeating. Remember, weight loss is not about deprivation, it's about creating sustainable, healthy habits. So feed your body, fuel your day, and enjoy your meals. After all, food is not just about sustenance, it's one of life's great pleasures. Let's wrap up what we've learned about these common health myths. In our journey today, we've debunked several widely held misconceptions about health. We started with the water myth, revealing that the idea of drinking exactly 8 glasses of water each day is a half-truth at best. Yes, hydration is vital, but your body is an excellent guide, signaling when it needs water. The truth lies in listening to your body and adjusting based on your activity level, weather, and individual needs. Then we moved on to carbohydrates. We've learned that carbs aren't the enemy they're often made out to be. They're your body's primary source of energy. The real issue isn't carbs themselves, but the type and quantity you consume. Simple carbs can lead to weight gain if overconsumed, while complex carbs provide sustainable energy and keep you satiated longer. It's not about eliminating carbs. It's about choosing the right ones and practicing portion control. We also tackled the fat fallacy. Eating fat doesn't necessarily make you fat. In fact, certain fats are essential for your body's functions. It's the type of fat that matters. Unhealthy fats can cause health issues, while healthy fats actually promote heart health and brain function. Again, portion control is key. Lastly, we debunked the myth about skipping meals. The idea that skipping meals leads to weight loss is a misconception. In truth, it can lead to overeating, nutrient deficiencies, and even weight gain. Regular, balanced meals are the way to go. In all of these myths, a common theme emerges: balance. A balanced diet, incorporating a variety of nutrients, is paramount for maintaining good health. So is listening to your body. It's a smarter guide than any fad diet or outdated health advice. Remember, it's not about following rigid rules, it's about making informed choices for your health. Stay curious, stay informed, and keep busting those myths. I hope you feel more empowered and inspired to make informed decisions about your health. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who might need some myth busting, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a dose of truth and wellness. Before you go, let me know in the comments, what health myth have you heard that you'd love us to bust in the next video? Your suggestions could be featured in an upcoming episode. Stay curious, stay healthy, and always remember, science is your best friend on the path to wellness. Until next time, take care.